I found most of the Mac users struggle to open any files in a specified applications that you want. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Either you open in VSCode or any other software like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. In order to do that, just search in a Spotlight Automator. Open the Automator application. And this is the environment that you will be popped out when you open that. Here you can see quick action. Just click in quick action and choose. Now you just have to search open finder items. Here it is. Just click and drag in the area here. Now you should open in Finder, and after that you can choose any icons that you prefer. For now, you have to choose the application over here. Just click in Other and specify which applications you want to add. For me, let me put Microsoft PowerPoint, and also same for the icon. Now this is done with the setting. Now I have to save it. In order to save it, I just go to File, Save, and I will give the name and click in Save. So after this is done. If I go to any folder or file and see in the quick action, you can see Open PPTX. Now this is a folder. I cannot open this in a PPTX, so it should give an error. Yeah, it is the error. So let me go to find out the PPTX file. Yes, this is the PPTX. Now if I go to quick action, I can see Open PPTX, and yes, I can directly open that file from the Finder to that specified application. Thank you. Subscribe.